welcome to the channel. This is the media, your host. Today, I am very excited to share with you a company, a penny stock that I found. And unlike any other where there's already hype built around it, I think this is going to be our chance to invest in a penny stock from the ground up, which I think has a lot of potential and is very promising. And as always, if you love the content, I would really appreciate it if you could hit all of those buttons, from the share, the like, the comment, the notification bell, and all of that. For a small channel like mine, it really does help grow it. And also for the newcomers, if this is your first time here and you love the content, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below. And if everyone is ready to trade, please feel free to use the two links that I have in the description box. Open an account with Webull or Robinhood using that link and you'll get free stocks. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about the company that I think has a lot of potential. The company is called Victory Square Technologies. The ticker is VSQTF. And why is it still in its infancy even though it started in 2015? Well, if you look at the VSQTF historical data, the volumes have largely been consistent, although on January 4th, you'll see that it started to be a lot more. This is the first time that I've seen volumes of 544,000, whereas from December 15, December 16, you'll see 140,000, 122,000. So I think there is something going on, but I think that it's still retail investors that are still looking at this company. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to look at it. And if you're curious, it closed today at 40.466 cents, and it opened at 0.44 cents. The company has a market cap of $35.7 million. VST has a unique process and proven track record for investing in solutions that are already required in the market rather than on one idea. Further, VST applies their management team experiences and expertise to grow them fast, unlocking value and generating explosive revenues. So what are they trying to say? So essentially what this company is that they are a startup company that's helping other startup companies grow and become a mature unicorn. So I think that's sort of like a very interesting irony, but they have such a mature management team. I'm particularly impressed with their CEO. And let me read a little bit about the CEO of this company. The CEO's name is Shafin Diamond Tejani. Prior to launching his first company, iFlirts, out of his dorm room at the age of 19. Mark Zuckerberg much? Shafin Diamond Tejani has gone on to launch over 40 startups in 20 different countries, employing over 350 people and generating over 100 million in annual revenues through their living labs. Shafin took the next step in launching Victory Square Technologies in 2015. Victory Square was developed to fund early stage startups and entrepreneurs who have gone through their living labs and startup incubators like Launch Academy, as well as through global startup partners focused on sports, entertainment, and health technologies. So if there's a startup that wants to be a part of their portfolio, they have to go through a very rigorous application process, and then Victory Square would select from those startups. So if you go to their portfolio, you'll see a number of companies that I think are part of the future, and Kathy Wood also. So they're looking essentially for disruptive companies that are starting up. And we all know disruptive qualities are what will bring us exponential growth. So for instance, the first one is Fans Unite. So this company is basically a sports betting solution company. Aspen is a software company. PayVita is a fintech company. Immersive Tech is a marketing company. V2G is the video game company. So built companies that are very fast forward, very similar to ARK Investment. I mean, I'm looking at one right now, Copilot. Copilot is an AI fast growing fintech company. So I like where they're going. And I think they're making the right selection in acquiring and helping these companies grow. And in terms of their finances, there was a press release on December 30th in which they said that the net income for the 9 month period ending September 30th, 2020 was $13.6 million and earnings per share of 18 cents. Another area that I really like about this company is in their vision or their values. Victory Square is incubating the tech giants of the next century. They believe that companies have a responsibility to give back to society with an emphasis on vulnerable children and youth. This socially responsible consciousness permeates everything that they do. It starts with contributing personal time and ends with ensuring tangible results in communities we operate in. So I got curious and went to look for the CEO on LinkedIn and found his profile. And sure enough, he has received a lot of awards for his philanthropy, with a focus on ensuring that more children and youth reach their full potential. He received the Prime Minister's Volunteer Award, also EY's Technology Entrepreneur of the Year, and Canadian Angel Investor of the Year. So this guy definitely means what when he says when he wants to build community. And you can see that he does that on his off time volunteering, but part of the company is to build up startups. That's also community building. So I think I believe in this company. I think it's gonna do great. And right now it's still cheap for entry, not even 50 cents. So I think I'm definitely gonna be an early investor. I don't know if you're interested, but let me know. Comment below and share your thoughts.